Hey everybody, welcome to our first video lesson for Brown Girl Dreaming. Today we are going to focus on vocabulary. As we discuss some vocabulary words, we need to first learn about two important words, connotation and denotation. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the difference between connotation and denotation. Make sure you have your guided notes ready to fill in as we go along. In fact, the first thing you need to write down is the objective statement for this lesson. I can read and understand the connotative and denotative meaning of words. First, let's talk about denotation. Denotation is the literal dictionary definition of a word. For example, the denotation of the word snake is a long, legless reptile. Notice the image of a dictionary. This image helps us remember that denotation is the exact meaning you find in a dictionary. Next, let's discuss connotation. Connotation is the emotional or cultural meaning attached to a word. For instance, the connotation of the word snake might be something negative, like danger or sneakiness. And here is an image of a heart with a rose to help us understand connotation. This image evokes feelings and associations beyond just the literal meaning. Now don't forget to take a minute to pause the video and complete your notes with the information from this page. And then when you're ready, you can keep going. All right, so now let's look at some examples to make this clearer. The word home has a denotation which is a place where someone lives, but its connotation might be warmth, family, or comfort. Another example is the word cheap. The denotation of cheap is low in cost. However, its connotation might be poor quality or a bargain. Now, again, a reminder, since this is new to us, let's take a minute to write this information down in our notes. Okay, now that we've gone over the definition of denotation and connotation, and we've looked at a couple of examples, now it's your turn to practice identifying denotation and connotation. I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to select the correct denotation and connotation for that word. First, let's look at the word rose. Write down the letter for the correct answer in your notes, and let's do that in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And of course, I'm sure you all wrote down that the correct answer is A, a type of flower. Now that we've looked at the denotation, let's look at the connotation of the word rose. Again, let's write down our answer in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, I know you guys are super smart and that you wrote down that the answer is B, love, beauty, and romance. All right, now that we've done rose, let's do one more. This time, let's look at the word crowd. Okay, write down your answer for the denotation of the word crowd in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm sure I wasn't able to trick you and you knew that the answer is C, a large group of people. All right, but do you know the connotation of the word crowd? Okay, select the best answer. Write that down in your notes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you select D? Great job. So remember, denotation is the dictionary meaning of a word, and connotation is the emotional or cultural meaning. Great job, everyone! You now know how to read and understand the connotative and denotative meanings of words. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Feel free to go back through the video to write down anything you might be missing in your guided notes. Now, on to your first practice.